Re-examining our priors in lake usage by Dominic Cartier and Catera Etheridge is a study in the sustainability of lake use. Our watershed is the lower Minnesota River watershed located just south of Minneapolis.
One of the main issues in this watershed is the variety of harmful activities that happen there. It is located in a transitional zone between urban and rural Minnesota. This means it is subject to the harms of industrial runoff from heavily impervious areas and farmland pollutants like nutrients used for crops and waste from domestic animals.
Here we see the original ecological makeup of the watershed. Over time, the land was gradually taken from the native Dakota tribes. The change in land use has eradicated most of the original wetlands. Hyper-privatization of the land has also severely damaged the ecology. Most of the area is agricultural, which ends up polluting the source water for other water bodies in the shed. There has been an effort to treat water, but they are focused on urban water use.
Zooming in now on our chosen water body, Fire Lake, we see how these pollutants have decimated the lake bed ecosystem while humans still reap the benefits of the lake. The hyperprivatization of the lake has created an almost incurable disease where the land is far too divided to allow for meaningful change to happen around the lake. Residents remain ignorant of the damage done to the lake so they can continue to use it for their own enjoyment and the increase in property value.
With so many different types of land use in the watershed and at Prior Lake, it is important to view their impacts as components operating within a larger network. This raises the question, how appropriate is our exploitation of water bodies in Minnesota? Lake culture is a very pervasive attitude towards water in Minnesota, and it will continue to increase in scale as long as there are new places to expand to. What is the correct scale for public interest to intervene in private properties around the lake, and how do we create opportunities for lakeshore owners to create a positive impact?